Hey, welcome. Hello. It's Amanda here, and I've got a surprise here. I didn't plant this. Um, you're not sure what this is, so I'll show you. We've got some mushrooms growing in here. So I planted that. This is guinea. For those of you who are in some parts of the Caribbean, you might call it ackee. In Barbados, they call it ackee, but in Jamaica, we call this guinea. And I put this in here because I didn't think the only other thing that was in this pot is this. This is paddle plant, and I just again put this in here because I've got lots that have been growing and I needed to separate them. So, but look at what's growing beside it. All of these mushrooms. So I don't know whether these mushrooms are edible. I've got to check. We don't want to be poisoning anybody. The ants seem to have found them, and so they seem to be feasting on there. And I'm not sure whether, if it's mushrooms, if ants eat the mushrooms, are they edible? I don't know. But some of them are quite big. And I did find some mushrooms. Let me show you where else I found mushrooms. I'll add a picture there. But on this rotting wood, they seem to come up every few days. So, I mean, I've got to move this anyway because it's, as I say, it's rotting. So when you step on it, and I can just allow the, I've got another one of these pallets, so I'll put that there. But yeah, it's been growing on, and every few days it comes up and then it goes away. So I really don't know what kind of mushroom that is, whether it's poisonous or anything. I wouldn't eat it. But yeah, I was surprised to see, just surprised to see mushroom growing here. So as I said, just going to keep an eye on it. Going to do some research. So some of these are quite big. Some of them are quite big, and there's like, that just looks like one that you get at the supermarket. But I don't know, so it's definitely worthwhile. If I can grow mushrooms, that's great. All I put in here, in these tires, it's just 2 tires put together, and look, you can see one maybe coming up there. All I put with lots of, there's lots of rotting materials, so sticks, leaves, dead leaves, green leaves, and all I've been doing is filling it up. So whether that's, look, there's another one there, whether that's a good environment for the mushrooms, who knows? But if anybody does know, then I would be grateful for some hints and tips. Whether you know whether this is edible or whether they're poisonous. And it's growing through the guinea. So I will be moving the guinea because these are trees. There's just one here. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you today. I'm managing to grow mushrooms for the first time. Tesco's, not Tesco's, or one of the supermarkets. Perhaps I'll grow enough to start a production. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you've got any ideas as to the type of mushrooms they are, please leave a comment, and I shall see you again. And I'll definitely update you. I don't know whether the ants are going to get the better of these mushrooms, whether they'll get all of them, but yeah, there's some coming up. And so again, I'm really pleased and proud that I'm able to grow something that I've never grown before, and able to share it with you. Okay, take care for now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.